Guys, I'm back. I never left. I just kind of stopped for a bit, but we all have our moments, okay? Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another hair video. Today we are doing what we always do, which is trying out products that I get gifted from brands. So today I'm really excited for this one because I really do love this brand, mainly because of the products that I've used before. So I have hope that it will go well. But today this video is sponsored by, I'm joking. Today this video is gifted by Boucleme. I want to say that that's how you say it. Boucleme. Boucleme have sent me some products that I'm going to try, and the packaging already looks really cute. That's always a plus. They've even put a little cute step-by-step curl routine along with their products of a curl cleanser, which is basically a shampoo, their curl conditioner, a curl cream, and a curl defining gel. They've also slipped in there a really nice hydrating hair cleanser, but I don't think I will be using this today. I think I'm going to stick with the 4 products that they've given me here. So I have already washed my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner off camera, and I will show you guys the rest of the routine in the next clip. So as always, I just come out of the shower with wet hair, and I always like to brush it in the shower so that it's easier to style when I come and do the styling part of this video. However, I was a bit lazy in the shower and I didn't brush it, so we're gonna brush it here instead. It doesn't take too long to brush, so I might as well just do it here. Always tie one side just to keep that away so that I can focus on the side that needs to be brushed. I always start from the bottom and then make my way up to the roots. So after washing my hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, I'm obviously going to go in with a styling product, which is the curl cream. I definitely have used this before. I don't remember when, but I remember that I loved it and it made my hair really defined, and I love that it was a curl cream, which is the most important thing for me and for my hair type, I believe. So we will be using this again and we will see how great it will be this time. So parting my hair into 2 parts as usual. I'm also going to part this into 2 and just clip that here. So now we get this part we need to work with. I do like to go a little bit crazy with my application because I have really thick hair, a lot of hair, which requires a lot of product. So yeah, curl cream, you keep doing your thing. I went to a shoot yesterday for work, shooting for London Fashion Week. We did a podcast with 2 people that I can't say. It really made me realise how much I obviously love shooting. I love like filming, recording. I love being behind the camera and doing all of that, but I also really love being in front of the camera and talking to the camera, or it be a very subject specific type of video where I'm in front of the camera, and I feel like that is just where I thrive. I thrive behind the camera and in front of the camera. Well, that's what it feels like to me, and I would love to do that as a job. Like, I really would love to do that. Let me do this side and then I will come back. The front of my hair is the most curliest, the most finest. At the back is the most frizziest, the thickest. There's just a lot going on there. I feel like it needs a reset. Like it needs a bring me back to like when you were first born kind of hair. It looks good. We've got curls, we've got definition, we've got softness, we've got a nice scent going on there, and I'm actually liking it. So let's go ahead and apply the curl defining gel. Believe it or not, I have not used this before, so I'm excited. So let's get applying. I'm gonna be a little bit ruthless and I'm not gonna section my hair. I'm not gonna do all of that stuff I was doing before. I think I'm literally just gonna thoroughly apply it and just see how it goes. I'll try and get the bits that are more frizzy at the back because the front bit may not need it that much. Give you some ASMR. Also going to make sure to get the top bit and the back. I'm going to run it through overall. Clumpy, clumpy curls. Clumpy, clumpy curls. I will be back and I will show you guys the result. It's about 80% air dried, but it's definitely dry enough. And the curls are there, bouncy, the volume's there, the definition is there. I'll stop touching it now. So I would think that's quite successful. This is a new addition to my videos now, the scrunchie box. Cute little scrunchies that I have. Because of my outfit, the blue is definitely matching the best. So we're gonna go with the lighter blue. I'm literally just gonna gather all the hair up here neatly. Take it through the scrunchie once, get all the hair out on the other side, and then take it through halfway, and you can just rearrange that as much as you want. And there we have it, the updo curly bun and 2 little front bits. I actually don't do this hairstyle that often, but when I do it, I realise how much I don't do it and how much I actually like it. So hair has been washed, it's been styled with products, and it's been finished with one hairstyle. So I guess that's all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and are enjoying my curly hair videos. I do want to bring more content to my curly hair videos. For example, I've done wash days before, I do a lot of gifted products. Maybe if you're interested, leave it in the comments. Maybe if you have any suggestions, you can let me know and I'll see if I can do them and if I, you know, if it suits my channel and it's something that I would actually do. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.